Hello and welcome to the Rayants kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook Rayants Arabic Hammour Fillets. This is a locally caught fish. It's moist and it has firm texture. We then marinate it with Arabic spices like pomegranate and sumac, cinnamon, garlic, lemons, and onions. The beauty of this product is how easy we've made for you to cook it. Simply open the box, which has tamper-proof seals on each end. Remove the inner packet and then choose your cooking method. You can use the microwave. You can use your regular oven, or you can use the stovetop. Today I'm going to use the griddle. So let's get cooking this delicious fish. First, for the microwave, you simply open the box, pull out this inner sleeve, and place it into the microwave. Set your power onto high, and then cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the package by the edges because the fish is going to be hot. Turn it over and put it back in for 1 additional minute, still on high power. At the end of that time, remove the packet. Check with your probe thermometer in the thickest part of the fish and see that you've hit 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have, then allow the fish to rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Open the package. There's a little notch on each end. Makes it so that you can just rip open the package and remove the fish. There's going to be some reserved cooking liquid. That's okay. Pour that right on top of the fish. Now the second way. Very similar to the way that we showed you in the microwave. That's with your oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the rack onto the middle level and then place the fish out of the box in this oven-proof microwavable pouch and put it into the oven for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, just like we did with the microwave, remove, taking care because this fish is going to be hot. And turn it over. Place it back into the oven for 10 more minutes. At the end of that time, then remove. Just like we did with the microwave, check with your probe thermometer into the thickest part of the fish and you're looking for 74 degrees, which is 165 Fahrenheit. As long as you've hit that, then allow the fish to rest for 1 to 2 minutes and plate just like we did before. Now the third way that you can cook this is on the stovetop. Put your heat level onto high or medium high and just film very lightly with some vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up. And then this is a little bit different than the other two methods that I showed you. You're going to remove the fish from the packet, place it skin side up onto the hot oil. Any reserved cooking liquid you can pour right on top. Cook until you see the edges starting to brown. When the edges start to brown, then turn the fish over and continue to cook on the skin side for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, your total cooking time, again, is between 3 and 5 minutes. Check the internal temperature of the fish by inserting the probe of your thermometer right into the thickest part and check to make sure that it's at least 74 degrees. At 74 degrees, then you can remove, plate just like we did before, and enjoy your dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel so that you can see all of the cooking videos for all of these Rayants products. You can like us on Facebook and see us on Instagram. Have a great day.